Do you want to know how to write English using the alphabet? In this video, I will introduce you to new daily English vocabulary, and I will show you how to write capital and lowercase letters so you can write English well. And if you watch to the end of this video, I'm going to give you my top 5 tips to make your writing look awesome. Turn the captions on in your language to understand this lesson. Hello students, I'm Teacher Kyle. This is Basic English for Beginners class. Let's get started. Okay, important note. If you really want to learn English, you should practice with me as you watch this video. So take out some paper and a pencil to practice writing with me. Here are some new vocabulary words. Some paper, a piece of paper, one piece of paper, a pencil, a pencil, a pen, an eraser, an eraser, write, write, erase, erase, copy, copy. Now let's test your memory. What is this? A piece of paper. What is this? A pencil. What is this? An eraser. What is this? A pen. What is this? Some paper. Nice job. Watch as I write all of the English alphabet with capital and lowercase letters. Let's start with capital A. Capital letters are used at the beginning of sentences and for proper nouns, such as names. Notice I pull down and I touch the top and the bottom usually. Try to keep it a nice full letter. You want to fill up the entire row space. So the capital letter's job is to show the start of a sentence and a proper name. You want to make sure you have a nice straight line as much as possible all the way across. You want to stop at this margin line as well. It's very difficult to see on the camera, but there's a very faint pink line. Don't go past that. Now we have the alphabet in capital letters. Let's write lowercase letters. Begin by starting in the top left row. Okay, we're going to make a letter A. Now notice I did not touch the bottom of the row and the top of the row at all. I used only the bottom half of the space. That means if you imagine there's a little line going across like this, I don't pass that for the body of the letter. Some letters have long lines that do touch. For instance, B, lowercase b touches the top and the bottom, but you only use the bottom section to do the curl around. C stays below. D, again, pull it down from the top. E, F uses the whole space. Some letters go below. G, it dips below the line. The idea is I want to keep the letters resting on the bottom line as much as possible. Did you know we use lowercase letters a lot more than we use capital letters in English? We use it for almost all of our writing. Now that you've seen how to write the letters, here are my top 5 tips for making your writing easier to read. Number 1, hold the pencil or pen with 3 fingers, about 1 inch from the tip of the pencil to the tip of your finger. Number 2, Place the lined paper properly with the space at the top and the 3 holes to the left. Many new English students don't know that this is the proper way to place your paper in North America. Let's look at the parts of the paper to better understand. This is the top of the page. The empty space should always be put at the top of the page. Not like this, but like this. This is the bottom of the page. There's no space at the bottom of the page. This is the left side of the page. By the way, page also means paper. English is written from left to right. Because of this, we put the holes on the left side so we can place the paper in a binder for safekeeping. Once you have your paper placed correctly, then you're ready for tip number 3. Always start on the first row just to the right of the pink margin line. Lined paper has many blue lines on the page. This is a line, this is a line, 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 line. A row has 2 blue lines, one at the top and one at the bottom. This is a row. Start on the first row. To the right of the pink line, the row holds the letters inside. Tip number 4, stay between the lines. If you are on blank paper, always pretend that you are writing in a row. Don't go over the row and don't go under the row. Finally, tip number 5, use the proper size letter for both capital and lowercase letters. Don't make your letters too big or too small. People may not want to read if you do. Would you want someone to read something that is a mess? If you practice these 5 tips, your writing will be easy for anyone to read. Now, let's check what you've learned. Are you ready for the quiz? Here we go. Question number 1. Which picture shows the correct way to place the lined paper? Is it number 1, number 2, or number 3? That's right, it's number 2. Question number 2. Where should you start writing on a piece of lined paper? Is it number 1, number 2, or number 3? That's right, it's number 3. Always start on the top row, just to the right of the pink margin line. Number 3. Which is the correct way to hold a pen? Is it number 1, number 2, or number 3? That's right, it's number 1. Question number 4. Which is a writing mistake? Number 1, number 2, or number 3? That's right, number 2 is a writing mistake. And last question, question number 5. Which is a writing mistake? Is it number 1, number 2, or number 3? That's right, it's number 1. How did you do? If you want more practice for learning English, make sure to check out my free online practice activities. I put a link in the description. If you like this video and want to see more, like it and leave a comment. Tell me what you like. See you next class.